Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage out of clay. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need polymer clay in shades of green, a little white, and a touch of brown. Make sure you have your basic sculpting tools ready, like a small knife or a ball-tip tool. Also, set up a clean, flat surface where you can work comfortably. This preparation ensures a smooth crafting experience. Now, let's start building the core of our cabbage. Take a small amount of your light green clay and roll it into a firm, smooth ball. This will be the central base. Next, flatten a thin, round piece of white clay. This piece will represent the lighter, inner part of the cabbage. Carefully attach this flattened white clay to the very bottom of your green clay ball, blending the edges slightly. With the core ready, it's time to add the distinctive leaves. Roll out small, thin pieces of green clay and shape them into various leaf sizes, from small inner leaves to larger outer ones. Use your sculpting tool to add realistic textures, like veins and ruffled edges, to each leaf. Begin attaching these leaves in overlapping layers around your core, starting with smaller ones at the top and gradually adding larger ones towards the base. For the finishing touches, you can add a tiny bit of brown clay to the very bottom of your cabbage to simulate dirt, giving it a freshly picked look. Take a moment to refine the edges of your leaves and adjust the overall shape until you are happy with your creation. Once complete, bake your clay cabbage in the oven following the specific temperature and time instructions provided on your polymer clay package. Enjoy your miniature masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.